Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Circle community marketing using LinkedIn group strategy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing your LinkedIn account. Log in with your credentials. Navigate to the groups section. Click on create a new group. Choose a name that reflects your community's focus. Write a clear and concise description. Select your group's privacy settings. Decide whether it will be public or private. Add relevant tags to make your group more discoverable. Upload a cover image that represents your group theme. Click Create to finalize your group setup. Once your group is created, start inviting members. Leverage your existing network by inviting colleagues and connections. Promote your group on your personal LinkedIn profile. Share posts that encourage engagement within the group. Consider creating regular discussions or themes. Post valuable content that aligns with your community interests. Encourage members to share their experiences and insights. Monitor group activity to foster a positive environment. Engage with members regularly to maintain interest. Respond to comments and initiate conversations. Use LinkedIn polls to gather feedback and encourage participation. Analyze member engagement and adjust your strategy as needed. Collaborate with thought leaders to bring in fresh perspectives. Plan virtual events or webinars related to your community topic. Stay consistent with your content schedule to build momentum. Evaluate the group's growth periodically and make improvements. Always prioritize the needs and interests of your members. This approach will help you utilize LinkedIn effectively for community marketing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.